Hello everyone, welcome to Unit 1, Class 3. This is about classroom objects. First, you need to understand how you are going to teach this lesson. In this lesson, you will be recognizing all the objects in the classroom. If you don't have any objects in the classroom, make sure you have some objects in your classroom, because these objects will be very necessary for this class. You will show the students one by one objects in real as well as in pictures. In the lecture sheet you can see there are some pictures of objects that usually remains in a classroom. But on the other way, you need to show the real things as well. If you don't have all the real things, that's okay. But try to take at least some of the real things. Now, in this lecture, there will be some object. You just don't help them on recognize the object. You also help them to make sentences with it. They already have made some sentences using the objects in the last class. So here you will keep continuing them. Well, in the very first page of your lecture, you will see 8 images of different objects that remains in the classroom. Help the student to understand what these objects are. What are their name in English? Very first one, this is a blackboard. So you'd say blackboard. Show them the picture of blackboard and say blackboard, blackboard. Now have them make sentences. This is a blackboard. It is a blackboard. This is a blackboard. It is a blackboard. This is a blackboard. It is a blackboard. The next one is a table or desk. This is a table. You show them a real table. This is a table. You show them the picture. This is a table. This is a table. That is a table. Okay, the next one is desk. This is a desk. Show them the picture and tell them desk, desk. What do you do with desk? Help them understand what do we do with desk. This is a desk. The next one is a chair. Chair. I'm repeating, chair. Say with me, chair, chair. Now, we sit on a chair. We sit on a chair. We sit on a chair. The next one is a door. Door. Show the door of your classroom to the students. Say them, this is a door. Explain it in your own language first and then say, this is door. Door. This is a door. Now we can say, open the door. Open the door. The door is open. This is a door. That is the classroom door. Then show them the window. If you have any window in your classroom, show them this is window. That is the classroom window. Then show them the picture. This is a window. This is a window. Window. The next one is a pen. Show them the pen, the real pen. This is pen. You can call it a pen. Pen. This This is a pen. We write with a pen. We write with a pen. We write with a pen. The same thing you do with the pencil. This is a pencil. Show them the picture as well. This is a pencil. We write with pencil. Now go to the next page. Show them a book. This is a book, the real book. Show them the real book. I repeat, show them the real book and say, this is a book. And then show them the picture, say, this is a book. We read the book. We read the book. We read the book. What do we do with books? We read it. What do we do with books? We read it. So help the students with this question. What do we do with book? We read it. What do we do with chair? We sit on it. What do we do with table? We put things on it. What do we do with doors? It protects us. What do we do with window? It brings light, sunlight. It brings sunlight. You just help them understand it. They don't need to remember all these sentences you're saying, but help them understand it so that they can remember the vocabulary itself. Okay, the next thing is an eraser. Please give each student a pencil and an eraser. Ask them to write something with the pencil and then show them how eraser can erase it. Once they see it, they will understand this is an eraser. What is erase? Erase means removing something. Erase means removing something. Now eraser removes the pencil ink. Eraser removes the pencil ink. We can erase our writings with eraser. We can erase our writing with eraser. The next thing is a school bag. What is it? A bag. A bag. Show them a bag. This is a school bag. We carry books in it. We carry books in it. We carry books in it. This is a bag. Show them the real bag. Show them a picture of the bag. Then ruler. Take a ruler with you in the classroom. Show the students the ruler. This is a ruler. This is a ruler. It helps us do the ruling. Do the line. It helps us create straight lines. It helps us create straight lines. Then show them a notebook. Tell them this is a notebook. We write on it. This is a notebook. We write on it. This is a notebook. We write on the notebook. Next one is sharpener. What is it? A sharpener. It sharpens the pencil. It sharpens the pencil. It sharpens the pencil. Sharpener. Sharpener. This is a sharpener. This is a sharpener. This is a sharpener. Show them the picture and say, make them say, this is a sharpener. That is a sharpener. We sharpen the pencil with it. Sharpener sharpens the pencil. The next one is a water bottle. Show them a water bottle. This is a water bottle. What is it? Water bottle. This is a water bottle. Then show them the picture. This is a water bottle. Children, what is this? This is a water bottle. Make them say the sentences aloud for some times. Then clock. Take a clock with you in the classroom. Or if it is hard for you to take a clock, at least take a small watch, hand watch, wristwatch with you. Show them this is a watch and that one is a clock. It tells the time. This is a clock. Show them the picture. This is a clock. This is a clock. It tells the time. It tells the time. The clock tells the time. The clock tells the time. Well, the next one is a duster. You already should have a duster in the classroom, right? Show them the duster. This is a duster or a duster. This is a duster. Show them the real one. Then show them the picture. This is a duster. We clean the board dust. It cleans the dust. It cleans the dust. Then show them papers. Take some papers with you in the classroom. Show them the papers and tell them it is papers. Make them say it. It is papers. It is papers. We write on papers. We write on paper. We write on paper. Here in this lecture you can say keep the paper. Keep the paper. Make sure you are explain all the sentences or the things in your native language first to the students. Once they are understanding it, start using the English version. Otherwise, this will not make proper sense to them. Don't just help them memorize, help them understand it and then learn it. The next one, scissors. If you have scissors, take a scissors with you in the classroom. Then cut the paper with the scissors. Show it to the student first. Then say, this is a scissors. It cuts the paper. This is a scissors. It cuts the paper. Then stapler. Take a stapler. Show them the stapler. This is a stapler. Show them the picture and say, this is a stapler. It binds paper. What is it? What does it do? It binds paper. It binds paper. The next one is a waste basket. Each and every class should have a waste basket. Take a waste basket, show it to the student. This is a waste basket and here you should put all your waste. What are the waste? Show them the waste. For example, you just cut the paper into 5 or 6 pieces. This has become a waste. And put it into the waste basket. Or if you have some fruit with you, eat it. After eating it, or the chocolates with you, just remove the wrappings of chocolate and put the wraps into the waste basket and show them this is how you put your waste on the waste basket. Then show the picture. This is a waste basket and say we put waste on the waste basket. This is waste basket and we put waste on the waste basket. Then it comes marker. Show them a marker. This is a marker. It writes on whiteboard. This is a marker. It writes on whiteboard. Show them the picture and say this is a marker and it writes on whiteboard. Then paper clip. Paper clip. Paper clip. Show them some paper clip. Tell them this is a paper clip. It binds paper. Show them the picture. This is a paper clip. Go to the next one. You might not need a calculator in your classroom, but if you have one, you can take it for this class. Show them the calculator. This is a calculator. What is it? This is a calculator. Show them the picture. This is a calculator. It calculates. It calculates. It calculates. Then color pencils. Take some color pencils with you. If possible, distribute one color pencil to each of the students and show them these are color pencils. These are color pencils. You give one color pencil to each student and say these are color pencils. Show them the pictures and say these are color pencils, we color with it. These are color pencils and we color with it. File. File. This is a file. Take a file with you and say this is a file. This is a file. This is a file. Show them the picture and say this is a file. Then calendar. Show them a calendar. Take a calendar with you. Yeah? This is a calendar. It tells the day. It tells the day and month of the year. This is a calendar. This is a calendar. It tells the day and month of the year. This is a calendar. It tells the day and month of the year. Show the students the picture of the calendar and ask, what is it? The student should be able to say, this is a calendar. It tells the day and the month of the year. Then chalks. If you are using blackboards in the classroom, show them the chalks. This is known as chalk. We write with it. This is chalk and we write with it. This is chalk and we write with it. Then ink. You can't take ink with you in the classroom, so just show them the picture. This is ink. This is ink. Now, that's the end of the lesson. Now, you should help the student practice. There are, in the exercise area, you can see there are some pictures that we have studied above or given with dash. Ask the student to write the names in these gaps in the given blank space. Give them some time to write it. Give them some time to write it. Well, you just keep watching the students and see if they are writing it or not. If someone is not understanding, help them understand that you need to write here. For example, this picture, what is this picture called? This is a pencil, so you write pencil. What is this? This is a bag, so you write bag here. Now this is how you should continue. Once they are done, make sure each and everyone recognize this thing. So bring everyone, on students in the front, and give him the page and ask him which is this one. Do the same thing. Don't ask about every picture from a single student. Bring someone in the front and show him 2 or 3 objects and ask him what is this. Do this for the entire class. Once they're done, you just repeat the whole thing again and finish the class. How you're going to repeat it on again? Just say it on. This is a blackboard. This is a desk, and the class should repeat after you. Like you should say, this is a blackboard, and the class will say, this is a blackboard. You should say, this is a desk. The class will say, this is a desk. Show them the pictures and then tell them. That's the end of the class.